As we get older, our skin begins to show it. Fine lines, deeper wrinkles, dry patches, and age spots. These changes can feel like unwanted reminders of the years passing on our face. Many seniors notice that their complexion becomes rougher, drier, and thinner than it once was. But what if I told you that one simple natural oil could make a real difference for mature skin? Castor oil, pressed from the beans of the castor plant, has been a beauty secret for centuries. Ancient queens like Cleopatra are even said to have used it as part of their beauty routine, and generations of grandmothers have sworn by it for skin and hair health. Today, we're going to explore 7 powerful benefits of castor oil for aging skin. First up, deep hydration. If your skin is feeling dry or tight, castor oil can help. Older skin often produces less oil and holds onto less moisture, which can leave it flaky or rough. Castor oil is one of nature's richest moisturizers, perfect for this problem. It's thick and creamy, almost like melted butter for your face. And it's packed with nourishing fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid and vitamin E. When you massage just a drop or two onto your skin, those nutrients seep in deep. The oil acts like a drink of water for your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It clings to your skin, so even if you wash or sweat a bit, it stays on and continues to hydrate. Many seniors report waking up with their face feeling much smoother and more comfortable than it would without the oil. Even little rough patches around the nose or mouth calm down. Imagine dealing with frizzy hair. When you dampen it and apply an oil, the frizz disappears as the strands fill with moisture. Castor oil does the same for your skin's frizz. It tames the roughness. Over time, those constant bursts of hydration give dry skin a kind of soft reset. Fine lines and flaky spots are smoothed out simply by being plumped with moisture. You can even think of castor oil as a super humectant. That means it draws water from the deeper layers of skin and traps it there. After applying castor oil, your skin stays hydrated for hours, even overnight. Many people find they don't need to reapply a lighter moisturizer during the day because the castor oil is still working. It's like wearing an invisible moisturized mask that lasts. This constant hydration also means your skin can better absorb the benefits of any other lotions or serums you use during the day. It's a bit of insurance for your skin cells, preventing that familiar tight feeling. Over a few weeks of nightly use, you may notice a lasting difference. Skin that used to feel dry and cracked now feels cushioned and resilient. In short, castor oil gives thirsty, mature skin a refreshing drink that keeps it comfortable from one day to the next. Closely related to hydration is improving your skin's barrier function. Think of the skin's barrier as a brick wall that keeps moisture in and irritants out. Over time, and with sun exposure or other stress, that wall can develop tiny cracks. Castor oil acts like a supportive brick in that wall. Its rich lipids fill in those cracks and coat the surface, creating an extra protective layer. For example, on a windy winter day, your cheeks might usually turn bright red and feel painfully dry. But with a thin layer of castor oil on, you're essentially adding a shield. Dermatologists describe this effect as occlusive, meaning it locks everything in place. In practice, that means less moisture escapes and fewer environmental factors irritate your skin. As a result, dry winds or indoor heating have less of an impact. Over weeks of use, this double action, keeping skin hydrated from within and sealing it from without, leads to calmer, stronger skin. You'll likely notice redness and flaking become less frequent. The overall texture evens out, making your skin look healthier. In short, castor oil helps restore your skin's natural defenses. It's like giving your skin an extra layer of armor against daily stressors, which is especially helpful for older skin that tends to feel easily irritated. Next, let's address wrinkles and fine lines, a top concern for many seniors. Castor oil helps soften their appearance in two main ways. First, by intense hydration, it plumps up the skin. Well-moisturized skin just doesn't crease as deeply. Picture a dried-out grape turned into a juicy one. The dried grape, a prune, is full of wrinkles, while a plump grape looks smooth. By giving your skin that extra boost of moisture, castor oil makes fine lines and surface wrinkles less noticeable. Many people apply castor oil nightly to areas like crow's feet around the eyes or laugh lines near the mouth, and they notice those lines start to look gentler over time. After a few weeks of use, old wrinkles can appear softer and new ones are less likely to set in deeply. It's not an instant fix, but gradually your skin's surface becomes more even. In fact, some seniors say that they need less heavy concealer or makeup to hide lines because castor oil naturally blurs them out with its plumping effect. If you don't have castor oil at home, you'll find a trusted one linked in the description. The second way castor oil helps with wrinkles is through antioxidant defense. Castor oil is naturally rich in vitamin E and other anti-aging compounds. These ingredients fight free radicals, the harmful molecules from UV rays, pollution, and stress that break down collagen and cause wrinkles in the first place. You can think of free radicals as little vandals attacking your skin's foundation. Castor oil's antioxidants come in like security guards, neutralizing them before they do damage. Over time, this means your skin's own collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm, stay in better shape. In other words, using castor oil is like giving your skin an invisible umbrella on a rainy day. It shields the delicate fibers that hold up your face. The benefit is twofold. Not only do existing lines plump up with moisture, but you're also slowing the process that creates new lines. Many seniors find that after regular use, they see fewer new, tiny wrinkles forming, and existing ones don't deepen as fast. Taken together, castor oil's hydrating and protective effects really help aging skin look smoother and more youthful. Now, let's move on to elasticity and firmness. Have you noticed that your skin isn't as bouncy as it used to be? Maybe when you pinch your cheek, it doesn't snap right back up as quickly. That loss of elasticity happens because the collagen and elastin fibers in our skin weaken with age. Castor oil can help restore some of that springiness. When you massage castor oil into your skin, its fatty acids and nutrients sink deep and essentially feed the cells that maintain skin structure. It's much like watering and fertilizing a plant. With the right nourishment, the plant, or in this case, your skin, is more lively. Over weeks of use, as your skin cells get this steady nutrition, you may notice areas like your cheeks or jawline feeling a bit firmer. It's not like pulling off a surgical facelift, but it is like giving your skin an internal support boost. Some people even find that makeup and creams apply more evenly on their skin once it's more elastic. Firmer skin also tends to reflect light better, giving a subtle, youthful glow. Closely tied to elasticity is collagen support. Collagen is the scaffolding under your skin. It keeps everything thick and lifted. Unfortunately, our bodies produce much less collagen as the years go by. Castor oil isn't a collagen serum, but it creates a healthier environment for your skin to preserve its collagen. The mix of fatty acids and antioxidants in castor oil helps prevent the inflammation and oxidative damage that would otherwise degrade collagen fibers. In fact, some studies suggest that ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid in castor oil, can even stimulate the skin's collagen production to some degree. Think of castor oil as helping to maintain and gently rebuild your skin's scaffolding. When collagen stays strong, areas prone to sagging, like under the chin or jawline, have a little more support. Over the long term, as you consistently use castor oil, your skin can regain a bit of that bounce and thickness. Many older users report that, after a couple of months, their skin feels denser and less papery thin, which is often a sign of healthier collagen. Let's not forget about pigmentation, those age spots and sunspots that often appear on mature skin. Castor oil can help even out your skin tone, and it does so very gently. It won't erase spots overnight, but it supports your skin's natural renewal process. When your skin is well moisturized and healthy, the top layers of old pigmented cells can shed off more easily, making way for new, evenly colored cells. Think of it as gently encouraging your skin to turn over at its own pace. At the same time, the vitamin E and fatty acids in castor oil help regulate melanin production, so you're less likely to form new dark spots. In practical terms, many people massage castor oil directly onto dark spots. Over several weeks, those spots often become a little lighter and blend more with the surrounding skin. And because castor oil is so soothing and non-irritating, it works on older skin safely. It's a far gentler approach than chemical peels or strong acids, which can be too harsh for delicate, mature skin. Finally, castor oil helps soothe inflammation and irritation. As skin ages, it can become more sensitive. Even small things like weather changes, minor allergic reactions, or dryness can trigger redness or itching. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid has natural anti-inflammatory properties, almost like a gentle cortisone for your skin. If you have a mild sunburn, a bit of castor oil on the affected area will likely reduce the redness and pain. If you suffer from rosacea, eczema, or just have a stubborn dry patch, applying castor oil can calm the skin and relieve the itch. It's like applying a soothing balm. For example, if you accidentally rub a sunscreen product in your eyes or have an allergic spot, patting on castor oil at night will help cool the skin by morning. Even minor cuts or scrapes on older skin heal better because castor oil keeps the wound moist and has mild antimicrobial properties, so bacteria have less chance to infect it. In short, castor oil acts as a caring first aid kit for skin troubles. It reduces redness, eases discomfort, and helps skin heal faster. Now, let's recap those 7 benefits. Castor oil provides deep, lasting moisture and holds it in the skin. It reinforces the skin's own protective barrier, making the skin more resilient. It softens the look of wrinkles and fine lines by plumping and protecting the skin. It improves elasticity and firmness by nourishing the underlying fibers. It supports the collagen that keeps skin thick and uplifted. It gently evens out pigmentation and age spots by aiding natural cell renewal. And it calms inflammation and redness, helping skin recover from everyday irritations. That is an impressive list for one simple oil. The secret is in castor oil's unique composition of fatty acids and antioxidants, combined with its thick, occlusive nature. Instead of layering dozens of different serums and creams, one drop of castor oil can multitask on many of these fronts. Of course, castor oil isn't a miracle cure. You won't look 20 years younger overnight. It works quietly and gradually, so consistency is key. The good news is that it's very affordable and easy to use at home. To apply castor oil, first make sure your face is clean. A little goes a long way, so warm just a drop or two between your fingertips. Then gently press or rub it into your skin as if giving yourself a mini facial massage. You can focus on trouble spots, under the eyes, around the mouth, or any dry patches. But a light layer on the whole face is fine. Many people like to use castor oil at night as the last step in their skincare routine, so it can absorb while they sleep. Because it's quite thick, some users mix it with a few drops of a lighter oil like almond or jojoba. This thins it and helps spread it more easily. Just be aware that pure castor oil can stain fabrics. So use a pillowcase you don't mind cleaning, or simply let it absorb for a few minutes before bed. In the morning, your skin will feel plump and you can wash off any excess. If you have very oily or acne-prone skin, start slowly. Perhaps use castor oil only on the driest areas at first, or dilute it, since its richness can clog pores if overused. And as always, if you've never tried it before, do a quick patch test on your arm to ensure your skin responds well. But for most people, castor oil is very gentle and well tolerated. So, castor oil is a natural, gentle ally for aging skin. It addresses many of the concerns we have as our skin matures, all in one affordable remedy. With regular use, older skin can become more hydrated, balanced, and even-toned. Fine lines and rough spots soften, and the skin's resilience improves. Many seniors who try castor oil find it a welcome addition to their daily routine, often noticing that it even replaces several other products. If you've been looking for a straightforward, nourishing way to support your mature skin, consider giving castor oil a try. A little goes a long way, and over time your skin will thank you for the extra love and care. It's a simple, time-tested secret that might just keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Good luck, and here's to happy, healthy skin in your golden years.